How to clean your Beats. These are just the special edition Nicki Minaj ear beats, but you're gonna wanna. And this will also help if you're not getting any sound out of your ear beat, or if your ear beat is just quieter. One's quieter than the other, or you can barely hear it. This will help with that. Sorry about this, but I'm gonna use a can to prop up my phone. I don't really have anything to edit. You're gonna want to use something similar to this, a toothpick, and you're gonna think you're gonna damage it, but you want to poke it in. You can see there, and remove this. You do not want to lose this pop filter. It's not really focused, but it's focused. You do not want to lose that pop filter. You do, and it'll sound worse, and it'll lower the reliability of your earbuds. And then you can see all that gunk around there. You're just going to want to scrape that off. Now, you might do that and think, that's done, put it back on. You'll still have problems. You want to gently, very gently. If you do it too rough, you could you want to get on the other side of that. So you see that? You're going to want to get on the other side of that with your toothpick. And just run it around. As you can see, I'm not doing a very good job with the video, and there's a tiny bit of gunk. You don't see much gunk from mine because, well, I did one of the earbuds yesterday. And then you got that done. Or there's a more expensive option you can do for most ear beats. This is free. If you're having the same problem, you could take it to an authorized Apple service center and have them replaced. Including shipping, it should come up to $110 for at least the older ear beats. So you need to spend $110 to get a replacement pair, or just clean it for free. And it doesn't matter, actually. You might want, if you can blow on it, you might, if you see any gunk on it, like any gunk or dirt on this, you want to blow on it, but you do not want to lose it. So keep track of this at all times. And then just put it in there. Now you can see it's a little bit cockeyed. You would have to realign it, gently realign it, and then use something. It might be your finger or something that popped up. This isn't very easy, but I'll just use this. And you just want to push it back in. See, now it's in. Good to go. You just put and this is coming from a Beats Collector. As you can see over there, I'll zoom in. There is my Beats by Dr. Dre collection. So this repair tip's coming from an actual Beats Collector.